Hello everyone, here is the latest updates at Marjan Residency. As you can see, all the foundation works have been completed, the ground floor slabs have been cast, and with this stage done, we are ready to move forward with our project. Work on the podium level is in full swing. The shuttering has been completed, the steel fixing is in its final stages, and we are beginning casting shortly. This is a major structure milestone, and it sets pace for the next floors to follow. Every team on site is aligned and moving forward efficiently, ensuring Marjan continues to rise as scheduled. We'll keep sharing updates as we progress level by level. Thank you for being a part of Marjan Residency journey.
www.shinebebright.com